The mission of the Southern Marin Fire Protection District is to contribute to this region's reputation and value of being a safe, friendly, and economically thriving region. Ten years ago, the Southern Marin Fire Protection District was facing many challenges: financial, aging equipment, the threats from wildfire, and we were talking about a consolidation. What we were missing was a unified vision that we could build work plans around, and ultimately 10 years later, we find ourselves a transformed organization because of that unified vision. Excellence is rooted in character. We want to be our very best, but we need to be rooted in very strong values, the values of this organization. When we do that, we're performing at our highest level and serving this community effectively.
We have a very complex and diverse response area. We have large bodies of water, we have hillside homes, mountainous terrain, lots of fire roads and social trails. And a lot of times we're unable to see things from the ground, that we're able to tap into technology and look at real-time satellite imagery, see where our resources are, look at fire weather, and make critical decisions prior to arrival, which ultimately will save our community's lives and allow us to be more efficient in our operations. We utilize a lot of amazing technology that's available to us to really enhance our response capabilities and efficiencies. For instance, we've been working with Tablet Command for over 10 years, and we were one of the pioneers to develop some of the things that everybody in the United States is using. We were one of the first agencies to use LRAD system and develop the technology to help the communities throughout the nation. And really, the biggest strength for us is the relationships we have with all those technology companies.
Some of the greatest threats to the Southern Marin Fire Protection District's service area include tsunamis, sea level rise, earthquakes. We have both the San Andreas and Hayward faults in our area, and then the risks from wildfire.
The fire doesn't respect any boundaries whatsoever. So our 17-member agencies of the Marin Wildfire Prevention Authority decided to come together, create a single funded agency to do wildfire mitigations across all the jurisdictions in a consistent way, regardless of jurisdictional boundaries. Southern Marin Fire Protection District is one of our largest agencies in the Southern Zone, and they really take the lead in developing and implementing our projects within the Southern Zone. We're helping our residents make their homes less ignitable, and then we are making evacuation routes safer for people during evacuations, and then we have shaded fuel breaks along the Wildland Urban Interface Boundary to decrease fire behavior as a fire enters the built environment.
Some of the technologies that we're developing, which is the drone program, Zone Haven, and LRAD, help identify and help communicate these events to the community.
We have a couple of tools that we like to use. Ladris AI is one tool, along with our risk probability modeling. Ladris AI will help us model what type of evacuations we're going to have. They can also model the fire behavior, so we are able to tweak our projects for the most efficiency. And then with the risk probability modeling, we're actually modeling the fire's behavior before and after our work, and we can see the decrease in fire behavior that we've created.
Ultimately, we do everything for the community. That's who we're here to serve. And every day that I come in, I want to do the best that I can for the community.
When I'm asked the question about why I think our people are exceptional here at the Southern Marin Fire Protection District, I think of, first of all, a unified purpose. People are unified in this idea of serving the community and serving people. Also, I find the issue of character at the root of what makes our people exceptional. We have very high standards and values, and our people embrace those and live them out every day.
Working here, you can go as far as you want to go. It's one of the things I really like about Southern Marin, in that you're only limited into what you want to do.
The Southern Marin Fire District is always looking for people who like a sense of adventure and are driven by purpose, who find value in serving their community. We currently have openings for our paramedics. If you feel called to serve and find value in serving your community, come by and visit us here at the fire station. Get to know us. Over the next 10 years, the Southern Marin Fire Protection District will undoubtedly face a variety of challenges and opportunities. My hope and vision is that we continue to position ourselves to be successful in navigating these ebbs and flows, and ultimately continue to provide exceptional service to our communities.